What's up, everybody? I'm back to the 11-foot homemade DIY foam kayak. That's my neighbor's dog. What I'm doing now is I'm gonna make a paper pattern to cut me out a piece of plywood. You see the plywood over there. Before the great wood pandemic in 2021, that used to be about $11. Now it's $15. You don't have to do that. You could just add more foam, but I want to put the plywood in here, and then I'll put my foam blocks across here to make my little package area. So let's get going with this. I'm pushing down in here and run my fingernail along here. Don't go too fast like I was doing. If you go much faster, your fingernail will get hot and it'll burn you. Painful. And then take your razor knife. Want to back it up a little bit, just where it barely sticks out. Just trim it. If it doesn't trim all the way, you can trim it up with scissors later. Just run your fingernail on it again. Don't want your blade sticking up too far because you don't want to weaken your foam structure that's already weak in the first place. Get this, I got to go. This will give you a near perfect pattern of your kayak floor, or foam boat, whatever you want to call it. So I'll just take that and I'll transpose it onto the wood over there and we'll be done. All right, look, I gotta go. Thank y'all for watching. Leave me a comment. Ask me questions you need to, if you need to know something, and I'll see if I can help you with the answers. And we can maybe build along together. See y'all later.